Okay, good morning all. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Morning, sir.
Great. So guys, again, I'm repeating again, this is not the class, this is not the classroom teaching, this is not the subject which I am teaching to you. I want this session to be full duplex. I want communication from both the ends. I don't want to teach to a student, neither I have any intention to preach. This is only, the few things which I know about the startups, few things which I have encountered early in the stage of a career when I have built two startup and I failed miserably in those startups. That are the learnings I am sharing with you. So do not make this session as a monotonous session where I only talk, you only listen, and you only get distracted. This is all about us. This is all about our future. We all want to build, including me. As I mentioned to you, myself Gaurav Bansod, I had done the PhD in the domain of embedded security. I was associated with various leading automotive company. I had a background, industrial background of doing pre-sales for a couple of startups. In the early stage of my career, I have built two startups in the domain of EdTech. And as I mentioned to you, I failed miserably bad. I had a loss of around, at that time in 2007, of around 70-80,000, which was 20 times more than what I used to earn. And the second startup I have done after getting more experience on the first startup, it was again in EdTech, but at that time I was, about to, counter effect the loss, and that I also, not done a good job in that startup and quit it. And across the Pune ecosystem, I am very proactive in the domain of what you can say automotive, or we can say building a web portal, or launching an apps, the market survey, the business validation, the idea validation, taking it to a next level, providing all kind of resources and all the stuff which I'm engaged currently into it. So and I'm also heading the startup innovation cell and incubation center at Pune Institute of Computer Technology from last 3 years. So again, I'm mentioning for all the participants who has joined recently, do not make this as a monotonous session. Ask in between the doubts. Please do share the experience, and whatever the questions I pose, do able to reply it. So first of all, let me tell you the background why we all are here. Why we all are here, because India in the last 2 years has made, nearly 40% of the startups as compared to last 20 years. And most of the startups are surviving. They came across this pandemic tough time. They are sustainable. They are banking on the stock market. They are generating the funds. So if you open the LinkedIn, you will find only the failure person is me, because in LinkedIn you will only find the success story, not the failure story. So I have never posted about my failure story on the LinkedIn. Whenever I want to post something, I will only talk about my achievement. That's what the LinkedIn is all about. So when you see the LinkedIn, you'll get the feel good factor, and you will say that the whole world is making money and I am not. But that is not true at all. So let me tell you about the investment. If some company is saying that we got the $4 billion investment, don't take that as a rock solid. They might have got $2 million, or they might have got even $1 million, but there is a concept called as optics. Whenever you are building a startup, you have great idea which has a potential to become a product. What matters is always in optics. So even though you have received a formal deal of funding of 2 million, it's necessary for the market for again series B kind of funding, to ensure that you get the good traction, because everything is about your perception, the image. So people go into this kind of PR, digital advertising, and ensure that whatever the small funding I got in the series A funding, that could be highlighted. So what I'm trying to say, everything is not white here. It's mostly a gray side, because investor don't give you $4 million in a one go. He initially releases 20, then 40, then 60, then 80, and slowly he backed out also sometimes. There are a lot of great stories in the startup. But if you have, a great potential which ties to a technology particularly, you will have a somewhere chance if you go into the market at the right time. If you don't land into the market at the right time, it is very difficult to keep up the pace. Either you have to collaborate with someone, or you have to ensure that you get enough traction. So one of the things which I have learned in my failed startup is don't keep your idea with yourself. That is the biggest mistake you guys would be doing. and no idea is unique. That is a tagline. Okay, there is no idea in the world. Only the foolish person can think that this is the idea I only got, and no one across the belt has this idea. So do not keep that idea to yourself, guys, because there are at least 200 people either working on that idea or made the prototype or made the product, but you are not aware about it. So it all started about, do you know that how many e-commerce website exist before Amazon? Do you know that how many doctor patient centric platform exists before Practo? No one knows that. But I will tell you honestly, there are at least 50 e-commerce websites which were there before Amazon, but there was only one Amazon and one Flipkart. So what matters is the idea. It's true, but what matters is also the efforts, the people who will be executing those ideas. And you cannot sell on 10 ships. Currently, I'm selling on 10 ships. I'm doing the industrial project in a domain of electrical vehicle. I'm doing industrial project in a domain of industry 4.0. I'm doing the project in a domain of home automation. So I cannot sell on the 10 boats. I need to concentrate my energy. I need to give a food for the thought, make sure that I in line with my ideas, and make sure I achieve a milestone. If I don't tap a milestone at the early stage of my career as an entrepreneur, I cannot do a startup, guys. I cannot do a startup. There is still fire in my belly to start my own startup. And it's not too late. And definitely it's not too late for you guys. If from the second year and third year, if you have some idea and if you believe in that idea whatsoever, I will not leave this idea. I will ensure that it will reach to a logical end. Believe me, you can generate the amount of money, that is not possible to generate with any kind of salary. Might be you have to take 2 times, birth to ensure that we reach to this. So whatever the money the entrepreneurs make in the small amount of duration, I mean to say amount might be 10 years. That is at least 200 times money and the fame and the freedom you will get as compared to a salaried or employee. So that distinction is very clear. But are you of material? Are you of that titanium material which will not break whether the pandemic got worst or whether there is no pandemic or there is some other calamity? Do you stick to your idea? Or sometimes is it necessary for your idea to let go and adopt to the market's need, which is always the important part? So let me tell you a short story. So EV, the phenomenon of EV started in India in 2019 onwards, when the pandemic was about to hit. People were started setting up a small business about the EV. They used to get a lot of electrical vehicles from China, everything, and then used to only assemble and sell it. And EVs are there on the roads in China in 2000, late 2000s. So they are into this market from last 20 odd years. And we started building the ecosystem, subsidy, government and all that. So 2019, I went to a conference in Spain, Granada. And there I met a guy from Dubai. And he was telling me that I want to do a business in Indian subcontinent to start an EV technology. I want to build a software for use. So that was stuck in my mind. What exactly? He did not elaborate much because he told that there is blah issues I cannot disclose, but I want to make software for electric vehicles. That issue was completely in my mind. When I landed in India, first thing what I have done is, there is one common friend who was doing business about the EV I was knowing, and I have called him. And I called him and I told him that, yeah, can we do something about the software? What is software in electric vehicle? So he told me that already China in 2019, the conversation was in 2019. 3 years back, China has made the huge symposium about how to build an operating system for electric vehicles. Just like you can say Android for electric vehicles. And from 2019 till date, I stick to that idea. I had formed a team, might be few of your members who are attending might be a part of that team, which I have formed, how to build an operating system for electric vehicle. And we made a good progress. At least we have covered what type of RTOS are there, what kind of different free RTOS are there, can we do it in Linux, what kind of drivers goes in. Last week, through my mutual again connection, I came across a startup in the Bangalore who has raised $4 million of investment, and that has already built the operating system, nearly built the operating system for electric vehicle. Somehow I got connected to him, and I have shown him the PPT. I have shown him this is the project I am working. I am having 20 plus RISE students working for me. And he told that whatever you are doing, whatever you are thinking of doing, I already done that part. Only 10% part is remaining. So you are behind the time. They already have a major clients like Ola, Chetak, and all that stuff. Where do I go? So I have two options. Either to fight with that fellow and say that stick to my dad, I will build the operating system. Whatever he's doing is fine. Or ensure that I will collaborate with him, come on the same page, and then start my journey. And I have asked him his journey. He told that in 2017, I went to China, spent there 2 to 3 years, understanding whole ecosystem about the electric vehicles, operating system, device drivers, and now I'm coming back to, he came back to India and started his own business. So there was a lot of hard work he has spent through, which I have not done that part. That's why I might be 3 years behind what exactly he is at. If I'm the foolish person, what I will do? I will say, okay, I don't care about you. I will build my operating system with whatever the prejudice, whatever the thoughts I'm having, which is absolutely a wrong thing. That's what I learned from the startup. You should open to the world. So what I have done the next step, I offered him, you collaborate with us. You are at X level. Give us the idea. We'll work for you. We'll execute those ideas and we'll be having a partnership. The moment I told him, he was in a shock state because generally the people don't talk in that language. People generally stick to that idea कि नहीं ये मेरा idea इसे मैं execute करूँगा ही करूँगा कैसे भी हो जाए. So he has opened for the collaboration. He has given affirmative yes, and from the next week onward, we'll be starting working for Androids for electric vehicle. What is the moral of the story I'm trying to tell you is, when you collaborate, you win together. When you collaborate, you reach to the destination faster. When you collaborate, there is a higher percentage that your startup may be successful as compared to the already Jagron file you are just holding it and pulling it together. So first thing about the startup is, which I have learned from my failed startup, is collaboration. Do not stick to your idea. You're not married to the idea. The entrepreneurs do not marry to the idea. They do not marry to a technology. For them, business is business. This is the first business. If I'm done, and every expiry, every business is having an expiry. You cannot compete with the world if you're not innovating. The second part is that, do you remember that how many companies exist in India when they have built the mobile phone, the smartphones? There was Oppo, there was Vivo, there was Intex, and there was iVoomi. There are n number of companies. What was that? Micromax. At least there are 50 companies who are making hefty money. Hefty money. When I say hefty money, I mean to say thousands and thousands of dollars, $1 million. And they all had a setup in China. All made the money. But now if you see the current scenario, only 4 to 5 players exist in market, which shares, the entire stake. And majorly the companies like Xiaomi and the Samsung have a major stake, or even the Apple in some extent. Why these 50 odd companies disappeared from the market? At least I know 10 odd companies who are into some other business, because they did not evolve their idea with the time. They have not done any innovations. They have just done the assembly. These guys, Xiaomi guys, Apple guys, Samsung guys, thought beyond that. They have invested in R&D. They have invested in value addition. They have invested in user experience. And that's what it takes. That's what makes the milestone to tap early. That's what is called sustainability. There is a survey from Government of India. There are 10,000 of startups which are produced every year. Out of that, 9,500 startups die early, and only 500 startups reach to an point where they can sustain at least for 7 years of time. Sustainability is the issue. In PICT also, from last 3 years, I came across various students who wants to do a startup. The moment they land into a job from HSBC or Deutsche Bank, they forget about the startup. बोले नहीं, घर वालों से प्रेशर था, बोला जॉब कर ले, जॉब के साइड में करूंगा. अभी 2 साल हो गए, बच्चे को पासवर्ड होके वो जॉब ही कर रहा है. Things won't work like that in this ecosystem. And there are few students who are doing the job, and also they have a solid team, and they are trying to ensure that they make an impact. And there is one exceptional student. He has refused this placement and started his own firm. Whether he's doing good, bad, or average, that doesn't matter, guys. So there is third part about the starting a startup is validation. you should validate the idea. Are you early in the market? Early in the market is also doesn't make sense. Are you should be right time in the market. I always give a student an example of a Bajaj Pulsar. Pulsar was a big hit, whether it's 180, 120, 220, whatever the bikes he has launched, it was big hit. Before Pulsar and after Pulsar, there were n number of Pulsar mopeds which came, but none of them clicked. There was CBZ, there was Apache, there are many. But what Bajaj Pulsar has done to the two-wheeler, that time segment, motorbike segment, that no one has done, because it was the right time entry with the right valuation, with the right price. And at that time, what people are thinking about that two-wheeler is always important to catch those perceptions, which no one has done. Now everyone can now see that within 2 years, every one of us will have at least two-wheeler. Everyone understand this game. Two-wheeler, I mean to say electric two-wheelers. So there might be a lot of things that might go into the ecosystem, the charging station, the battery swapping station. There is a lot of R&D need to learn how it look like. Everyone has booked the Ola electric bike of 500 rupees. Now there need to be a lot of info you can find within towards the last of this 2021 or end of starting of 2022. You will at least find 10,000 of electric vehicles running across the roads of Pune, and might be they are doing. Zomato and Swiggy guys are using electric vehicles. For the Dunzo guys using electric vehicle for. So we are seeing where we are heading towards. There is a lot of scope in the domain of AR and VR. People are building this stuff. You open the LinkedIn and you will find that you are landed into a sea of entrepreneurs, where someone is doing something and they are trying to create an impact because they understood one fact that whatever the money they would be making after 10 years, after 5 years, after 7 years is not comparable to what the salaried people can do. And not only about it's about the freedom. When I have my own startup, I am completely involved. It's my family business. At what time I go, at what time I leave, there is a freedom. I can have 1 month of leisure time with my family. I can go anywhere in the world if my startup is successful. People will treat me as a role model and will try to adopt the things. There are a lot of things the young generation is thinking all about. So I do not see why the students should not dream of having their own startup. Or why should not people think that I will get placed in the Google, even though Google is not coming for the placement? Why? Why only I'm sitting for the Deutsche Bank, HSBC, or some other fintech company? Why I'm not sitting for the Goldman Sachs? Because Goldman Sachs is not coming in the campus placement. Now that spectrum makes you a horse, in the race, which is having, that kind of, what is that called? Where he put that guard and he can only run in that direction. So do not limit yourself. And every human being across the planet is having some capability, some distinct capability that they can strive for, that they can make a lot about it. They are based in that particular effort that you need to identify this. There is hardly one Chitle who does this thing miraculously, but there are other mithai players also who are sustaining it. Sustainability is the issue in the startup, but it's not the problem in the startup. Are you getting my point? There are n number of mithai wales who are managing well. Chitle is doing extremely well, but there are n number of mithai wales who are managing well. So even if you have a startup which does average part, you do bush and bash, you will earn the 2x, at least 2x money that what salaried person can do. At least 2x money plus the freedom, plus the passion about your building the products or building your startup ecosystem. So do not focus yourselves only in the domain of the placement, only in the domain of I will get the PP offer or pre-placement offer. Try to have a grip about some idea which you think that is wild enough to be into a product. So there is first thing. So there are 9 steps how you can start a startup. By first thing is start with a great idea. So if you have a great idea how to identify the problem and the solution, is it solving the current need? Is it solving the future need? What will the market for this idea in times to come? Then you should have a business plan. Writing a business plan is very, very important for getting financing for your startups. So if you don't have a business plan, it doesn't make sense. You made a 10 rupees of something, and isko bechega kya? 10 rupee ka market hai kya? Is there any person who will give 10 rupees to this? If no, then how? 15. Then 5 rupees. Out of 5 rupees, how you'll manage the employees, your employees' salaries? How much you will give it to investor? What is your roadmap? Pitching book should be there. And generally people do the bootstrapping. Bootstrapping matlab friends and family से पैसा लेके आगे बढ़ते हैं. then they go to angel investor, then they go to venture capitalist, and the last stage is bank loan. Then there is the fourth step where you can, this is always important, guys. This is the most important, what I learned, also learned from the failed startup, is surround yourself with the right people. If you don't surround yourself with the right people, it's difficult. People will guide you, people will not guide you properly. If you find a friend or two friends, just like Sridhar and Aryan, and they all likely minded and they also want to start a startup. So Aryan is good at backend, Sridhar is good at AIML. So why don't we come together and build a startup about who will deliver the service, AI as a service, AI as a service instead of software as a service. So you should always surround yourself with the right people, with the right mentor. Finding a right mentor is very, very important. Don't get a mentor, it's fine. But if you get the wrong mentor who might push you into some other direction, that might create an issue. So you should always have a right mentor and right people in your domain, in your spectrum. So surround yourself always with the right people, guys. Do not make a mistake. And make sure you are following all the legal steps. Legal step means applying for a business license, registering your business number, filling for a trademark if anything you are having. Next step is establish a location where you want to do physical and online, what kind of customer you are having. You should have a marketing plan. We engineers are very bad at marketing plans, so we should tie up with some MBA guy who can give a market plan, who can tell us about the brand identity, how we can stand out from the competition, how we can create the customer relationship, build loyalty, increase visibility, which attracts your new customer, strengthen your company's reputation, and all that stuff we can do. Then once we do that, we have to build a customer base. So how you boost your sales, how you send a message to a new customer, how you can gain by new referrals, where you save the time and effort with finding new customers. And definitely the last thing I can tell you is about the plan to change. So startups change drastically within their first few years in operation. So there should be some strategy where, listening to the feedback, stay updated. You can have some people on the board who can give you the directions. And then you think about, having the startups in the domain. And then your startup can be sustainable. So this is all about what I want to talk. And what we are doing at the PICT Startup and Innovation Cell and Incubation Center, which might help you in your journey, which might be a platform for you people, those who think you can become an entrepreneur. What we are doing is we are providing 24/7 an access to a sale, to a space where you can incubate your idea. We are providing a funds to the students who can make this idea to grow to a product or a service which is beneficial to the society. We are also providing the industrial mentors who can guide you. So right people, as I mentioned to you, right people. So that right people, we are providing it. If your startup is at a stage where you want your startup to get registered, we are also helping you, assisting you in that domain. We are also helping you to bring a lot of investors, entrepreneurs, serial entrepreneurs on the board to ensure that your startup can sustain. So we as a platform are having everything which your startup requires. If you think you want to become an entrepreneur, if you just want to come here, spend 1 year, 2 years of time and then go into commercial job, corporate job, this is not the right place from. What we are doing here is we are building the company. We are building the company. So there is famous proverb in the English which says that if a drop of water falls in the lake, its existence vanishes. But if the same drop of water falls in the petals of a rose, it shines like a pearl. The drop is the same, but the company matters. What in PICT we are doing exactly the same stuff. We are building the company. We are bringing the like-minded people together. And I being the head of the startup innovation, I am thinking that I would be the part of your startup, and I will ensure that PICT will ensure that you reach to a next level, provided you should have that determination, that I want to become an entrepreneur. So Bhushan sir has already created a link where every year we call for innovative ideas from the students. So please fill that link. If you think that your idea has a potential, please fill that link where you think that there is an idea and you want to become an entrepreneur, and we will take that thing forward from that step onwards. So I hope Bhushan sir can share that Google form, and I think
yes, it's already shared.
It's already shared. So that's all I want to. I can talk continuously for 2 more hours about the startups. I can tell you more about my failure journey as an edtech startup, what exactly I have done, how I have failed, what mistakes I have done. So we can have another session where I can talk about the failed startup, which talks about the mistakes I have done as thinking to be an entrepreneur, the money which I got, how I have not invested it, initial money, why I did not go for what you can say series funding, why I have bootstrapped, what I have failed in, marketing, miserably bad marketing, exposure, and the most important part is optics. Whatever you see on the LinkedIn is a part of an optics. बहुत झूठ बोलते हैं entrepreneurs, बहुत झूठ बोलते हैं. Believe me. $100 million का investment किया है, they talk about they have done $1,000 million in. बहुत झूठ बोलते हैं. The only I have seen many entrepreneurs, good entrepreneurs, who talks, sometimes rubbish. That we are trying to do AI, we are trying to build this model, we already built this. अब वो start भी नहीं किया है वहाँ. So that is required, in today's world. We live in Kali Yuga. So do not, whatever you see through your naked eye, do not believe it. Do not believe it. So this will come from the experience. जब आप गिरोगे 10 बार उठोगे, फिर आपको पता चलेगा कि नहीं, what's the whole startup ecosystem is all about. We have a great audio, great strength here, guys. 162 students, and they have survived for last half an hour, which I think it's what you can say, credit to me that they have survived. Yes, Sapka sir.
Yes, sir. Sure. It was nice listening to you, and you guided us very well, sir. Even teachers can think about starting their own.
We should. I am thinking that if someone, let me tell you, I am thinking that if someone is having a great idea, with my fail experience, I would be the partner in his or her idea and ensure that it reaches to the next. Because what we are having is no one is having. We are having an experience. We are having the people. We are having the right people, atmosphere, and everything.
Yes, sir.
So we can be a partner. I don't want to do a job for this job for another rest of my life. I want to switch the side. Why don't we together switch, together collaborate and win that size? Only thing is that we are not thinking. We are every day PhD में आना है, punch करना है, 9 बजे 4 बजे घर जाना है. That is the mindset we all guys are having. And believe me, I'm doing this stuff. We are having at least 4 industrial problem statement which we are working with the industry, and that industry, if we prove to them, they will be the first person to offer a hand, whether it's industry 4.0, whether it's operating system for electric vehicle, whether it's building a portal which will sustain your entire market. But we are doing that stuff. So I'm not preaching it, guys. I'm doing the stuff. Whether I get to that particular train, whether I get to that particular destination, I don't know. But what I'm doing is I'm trying my level best to be at the best spot. If I don't try, I don't deserve to be at the best spot. Generally people say entrepreneurs are lucky. Yes, we are lucky, but we need to give attempt. घर से कहीं पे पहुंचना है तो कहीं से निकलना बहुत जरूरी है ना. मैं वहीं पे पड़ा हूँ 9 से 5. So I need to ensure that I get that momentum. I need to ensure that I have that kind of support, ability, capability to reach to a particular target and audience. And that is only possible when you have self-belief. What is the only common thing which I have find in all the entrepreneurs is self-belief. They are having enough capabilities, but there is no self-belief. Everyone knows the story about Elon Musk. Everyone knows the story about the Jeff Bezos, how he started. Everyone knows the story of Baiju Ravindran, who is the world's first edtech company who has crossed million mark profit, and they are still growing. Have you seen that Baiju's app is integrated with AR and VR? They are having collaboration. An Indian guy startup is having a collaboration with Disney and Pixar to build those kind of animations. Things are moving very rapidly, very fast. If you are thinking that this is the time to jump off the ship, this is the right time, guys. Do not wait. Ship आएगा, मैं बैठूंगा, फिर जाऊंगा. Nothing will happen. It's a very fast-paced market. And if generally people live in that bubble कि we are on this earth forever. आप ये fact भूल गए हो, या फिर जो नहीं भूले हो, at least आपके conscious से चला जाता है कि everyone has a limited time. We are not here on this earth forever. We are living. We are short of time. We have one life. Who knows? Who talks about there are 7 janams and eternal, paternal? We are having. So there is no existence of Gaurav Bansod after certain years. There is no existence of Nitin Satkar. There is only one life. Everyone is living the one life. Now, how to live the life, whether by X way or Y way, you need to always think of. At the back of mind, always what your existence is up to. That you always need to challenge. Then only you can progress. You can think. If you don't think, you can't do. So that you always, we are not here for 1,000 years, guys. We are having limited life period. That you always have to be in conscious with. And if you keep that thought with yourself, you will make an impact. You will make a dent in the startup ecosystem. That's all from my side, guys. So next 15-20 minutes, I can have a questions. If anyone wants to pose the questions, you can. The whole agenda is to tell you about the startup ecosystem. Whole agenda is to motivate you so that you think beyond this 12 hours of corporate job. You think beyond that. There is world exists beyond that. And our bosses has made our life very miserable by putting that culture. So we become an bosses. We set an example how to run a startup, how to make a consensus environment. What Tata has done to their people. No one has fired from the Tata in this pandemic. The reason is there is free food to them. And you would have heard many stories about Tata because they are having a vision, ethics. They can implement the stuff. There are 1,000 Tatas like people, but they cannot do because they are not entrepreneurs. They are slaves. They are employees of someone. There are thousands of human beings who are equal to Tata or who are generous than Tata, but they cannot do because nothing is in their control. Whatever the boss says, we have to bend down and ask. So go beyond that, guys. If I can, with this seminar, if I can turn at least 2 entrepreneurs, I'm successful. I'm done for the day. I will have a gala party when you, out of this 167 students, if two people can become an entrepreneur, might be, if you think that you got motivated, you can have a share for me. Time for questions, guys. So any questions, please raise the hand or you can mute yourself and ask the questions. And do write in the chat box the feedback about the startups. How was your experience about this? How to build startup? I did not talk much about the startup, but I talked about, the entire ecosystem. So your feedback is, and what kind of sessions you want in times to come. We are planning series of sessions. So this was the introduction and only, a platform to tell you that you fill that Google form. If you think that is the first step, if you want to build a startup, or you can connect me or Bhushan sir or other teachers, and we'll ensure you right on the right. It's everything about the timing. It's everything about whether you are heading towards a safer destination. It's always heading towards the right train and right track. It's always about that. It's always about tapping your milestone in the early stage of your career. Why we talk about tapping milestones when we are born? Doctor always say that what is the first time your boy has cried? What is the first time your baby girl has given a smile? What is the first time he started attempting, moving the legs here and there? What is the first time he started making? Does she talk at the age of 6 months? Does she started walking at the age of 2 years? So this is achieving a milestone. If you are not walking till the age of 3, it means there is some neurological problem. There is some issue. Why there is a time milestone tapping at that point only? Why not you cannot tap a milestone across your lifetime? Why don't have a milestone in the second year of engineering? Why don't I have a milestone in the third year? What's my milestone? I don't have a milestone. Getting into a placement is not the milestone, guys. Milestone is about the life. Milestone is about surviving, sustaining the life. The way I want to live my life, it's about the milestone tapping. If I'm not meeting that milestone, if I'm not tapping that milestone, there is some problem inside me happening which is not visible. So that tapping a milestone at the right set is very, very important, guys. And you must do that. You must remember that there is only one life. Otherwise, things will be in an average. There are 10,000 employees working for the Google, 20,000 employees working for the Amazon. You will be one of them. I am one of them. But I don't want you people to become one of them. Yes, Rushikesh.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, I just wanted to know, can you just elaborate on roadmap for startup? To be more precise, what are the things that can be called as a step to go from idea to a startup? Like how it is all done?
The first thing about is you should be very good observer. The first thing about a good entrepreneur is the observer. Once you get the idea, you need to think that, or you need to validate that idea, whether this idea is right to the market, whether this idea is feasible, whether this idea can make money. So feasibility studies should be done, literature survey. How many competitors you are having, what exactly you are doing which no one is doing, how you can have an extra edge over other competitor. That is idea validation. Once idea validation is done, then we call PUC, how to make a product out of that idea or a service which you are making it. For that, how many funds you require, what are the plannings you are making to generate that funds. Are you going for the crowdfunding? Are you asking your family members to at least put that idea, put that money so that you can build the PUC? Once the PUC is done, then to whom you should approach? Either you approach to a customer, to a vendor. What is your market segment? Mid-size people. Whether you are operating in B2B segment or B2C segment, because B2C is cash hungry, B2B is fine. So once you do that, then for that you require, for example, 1 crore rupees. From where you generate that? If you don't have money, how you can look for a small businesses co-plans or co-workers? There is a lot of co-working space available. How you can sustain that? So it all starts from an idea. वो अंकुर जो रहता है ना, वो आइडिया है, लेकिन उसके ऊपर आपको पेड़ देना है, आपको फर्टिलाइजर देना है, उसको कल्टीवेटिंग वो एनवायरनमेंट देना है. दिस ऑल थिंग्स कम्स इनटू दैट, एंड इट गोज एंड गो. हाउ टू रजिस्टर अ स्टार्टअप, how to get your first client, how to ensure. So you need to connect to a right people, Rishikesh. Connecting the right people is very, very important. Have you seen anyone? Generally people say behind every successful man there is a successful woman, but there is more than that. Have you seen any successful entrepreneur who says that I don't have any role model? They are surrounded by the right people. There are hardly 1% of them who just click. They click. Hope, Rishikesh, I have answered your point.
Yes, sir. So one more thing, can you elaborate on patenting an idea, like where that comes into our process, like at which step?
So for that, I am also not good at patenting an idea or patenting a startup, but I think definitely we are having a people on the board who can give more about that. If I talk about patenting an idea, it's about telling you only the background things which I don't want to give. I don't know perfect about it. So, but yes, of course, sir.
Sir, actually, we had a session about this idea patenting on 21st of August. I don't think so. Rishikesh has attended that session.
Yeah, but what we can do now to answer his query?
So we can do one thing, sir. We have the recording of that session available. So if Rishikesh can go through it, then definitely he can get answer.
Great. Bingo.
Because the title or tagline for that session was A Journey from Idea to Patent. Rishikesh.
Okay, sir. I'll check it out. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Or Nitin, sir, if you are having that link available, might be like Rishikesh, there are many questions from the same background. If you can post in the chat window, it would be great.
Okay, sir.
Any more questions? Yeah, Ranjit sir is having a question. Ranjit sir.
Yeah, not a question, sir. I'm just adding to the point made by Sapkar sir. Quarter we are arranging a session as well as a workshop on patenting. So we will let them know when we will be planning that and all. So that details I will share. Yeah.
Yeah, but also the lecture what Sapkar sir has arranged, that has everything.
Yes.
Means I have listened a few parts in pieces, but he told about how to register an idea or how to make an IP out of it. So Rishikesh, it would be a great thing if you listen to that workshop.
Yeah, sure, sir, sure.
Any more questions, guys?
There is one in chat. So the question is, how can we find right people for your idea?
So if you heard about most of the Hindi cinemas, you see that you get connected to the right people. So that is always you should be in always exploration mode. ढूंढने से भगवान भी मिलता है, ये तो right people की बात है. People, It can be doable, guys. You just think, given a time, there is n number of platform other than Facebook and Instagram where you can find the right people. Only, see, let me tell you, the only place where you don't find the right people is Instagram and Facebook. Okay, which I observed. You can only find the reels. You can get the right people across the internet, and I think LinkedIn is the part where I think people are connecting, people are doing and meeting the people. So it's all about exploration. See, I started EV electric vehicle building operating system with hardly few of them knowing, but currently I'm connected to 2 major companies who are building operating system electric vehicles. So things happens, guys. Things happen. Believe in that. I hope I have answered his part. Shreyas.
And sir, good morning, sir.
Good
Yes, sir.
morning.
According to my experience, as soon as we start working on our idea and start exploring, the first person to whom we are connected only connects to the second person, and the chain is growing up. Like even if we go on LinkedIn, we'll get a reply from their side or not. We are not sure about that, or
Correct.
he is the right person or not. But from the with whom we are connected, he'll connect to the right person. That's for sure.
So what Deepak is saying is things happens, guys. So sometimes I will show you my LinkedIn once I become successful. I will show you my I'm just wishing that I can show you my LinkedIn message center to you. I have approached to Tatas and Birlas of every domain. I have approached them. I have messaged them like a crazy. Yeah, this is the idea. You want to hear, you want to listen. Please give me a time. Hardly few of them has replied, but that doesn't matter. Out of 100 Tatas, if one Tata is replying to me, that's done for the day. Things can. Yes, Suyesh. Next question. Suyesh.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. So my question is how to get good ideas and how to check that whether they will they be sustainable in the market.
Oh, Suyesh, how to get the good ideas? I don't have answer. How to sustain in the market, because the steps about the getting a good idea, you need to think, no? You need to find it out. You need to see in the society what is the problem what is going on. You need to meet the right people, discuss instead of chatting on the specific issues. You can chat about what are the trending things which are happening, and then from that discussions, see, the bad thing and the good thing happens only when you collaborate, when you have a discussion. When you 5 students are meeting and talking about some technology, might be you get an idea. It's that click, it's that moment that Newton has realized that why Apple is falling on the earth. That clicks. If you have right determination, if you have right things, you have an exploration mind, you want to be a Newton, don't want to be Newton, I want to have that kind of exploration. You talk with amongst you people, you talk about the technology. Who knows, based on your skill set, you can think about something. 2008, I will tell you a short story. 2008, I met one guy and he has called me. He was my very good friend. We are connected from last 20 odd years. He called me and saying that, Gaurav, can you make a device which can take, instead of manual orders in the restaurant, it will take the orders on the mobile phone or something on a gadget, and it can directly give it to the back end. Chefs are preparing, and it will get delivered. I don't know what crazy guys you are living in. It's still time. India is still what you can say developing country. It's not developed. It's time. And I forgot. And 3 years down the line, I find that every dhabe wala is having that device or an app which takes the order, give it to the backend. Backend people are managing and producing it for you. We are having ARVR. So we should not directly reject. Yare kya baat kar raha hai? Everything is possible. Pushkar Viman, if you heard about it, it was there in the 17-18 odd century. I hope, Suyesh, I have answered your part.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank
Feasibility, we can do it. Feasibility, once you get the right idea, we can feasible. We can have a master class. We can have a devil's advocate. We will criticize that idea. So if you get the good idea, tell it to your 4 friends, and what they have to do is they have to prove that this idea is shit. If they cannot prove your idea is feasible, at least first stage.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dhruvin.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I had a question that which is more important or beneficial, launching a product because there is a demand, or launching a product and then creating a demand?
No, I did not get your questions. Dhruvin, can you come again?
Sir, which is more beneficial in the long run, that if we launch a product because there is a demand in the market, or then launching a product and then creating the demand?
None of them. None of them. Because you launch a product, there is demand in the market, you are not innovated then. You are not added technology into it. You are not change your product based on the needs, based on demand. So demand will go down. Today there is a demand for electric vehicle. It's like this. It goes to sinusoidal curve at the top. After that, if the people are not innovating, it will hit the rock bottom. So innovation is always the key. Getting an upgradation and updation is always the key. So once you get the idea, update yourself with the changing needs. Create the use cases around it. Try to put into the different flavors. We get bored of eating only vanilla. That's why you have butterscotch, mango, and all that thing. Peoples are like that in the startup business. You need to find out the new taste every time, what you can offer, whether it's by hook or by crook. So some kind of trick, always you need to innovate. Startup is always a challenging time. It's always the ship in the troubled water. It's never a thing that you will have a safe journey for 10 years. No one is safe in the entrepreneur journey, but that's the life. बोलते हैं ना, उलझेगी नहीं तो सुलझेगी कैसे? That's the thing about the startup, Dhruvin. Is that fine, Dhruvin?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. What's your name?
Siddhi, sir.
Yes, Siddhi, go ahead.
Sir, I wanted to ask that in this cell, we'll get guidance only related to technical domains, or is it
everything? We are people across the Indian subcontinent, which gives you the guidance about building a startup. It's not about the technical. Startup
Okay,
is
sir,
more than technical. So it's about everything, Siddhi.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any more questions, guys? Yes, Sunny.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sunny.
So if you have an idea and we realize that there are similar kind of people or big giant in the market with the similar idea, so should we implement our idea because this big giant are providing better service than me right now? So should I implement?
Yeah. So don't give a damn about those people. But if you have an idea that other people are also building, you think that what additional things or USP you can make it better and collaborate with them and tell them that you are having these 10 things, I can provide you 2 things, you buy my company out.
So
instead of making them as a competitor, make them as a companion and win together. Sunny.
Yes, sir. So one more question.
Yeah.
So how to access the recordings of the previous session that were held?
So Sabka sir will share.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
And Bidway sir, Zope sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
We will put all the recordings on YouTube channel.
Correct. And we should form a WhatsApp group, Deepak.
Yes, sir, sure.
We should form a WhatsApp group, those who want to become an entrepreneur.
Okay, sir.
So that, recordings and everything we can do. So you can right now create a link and share it in our chat window so that we can update.
Just give me a second.
Yeah?
Just give me a minute. I'll share the link.
Yeah, Deepak.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
यस मानस.
सर वो हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना कि अगर नदी में उतरना है तो वो पूरा उसकी गहराई और सब चीज पता होनी चाहिए. तो फिर अगर हम जो हमारे स्टार्टअप में जो भी टेक्नोलॉजी यूज कर रहे हैं और वही टेक्नोलॉजी कोई कंपनी में यूज हो रही है और हम वहाँ पे जॉब कर रहे हैं, मतलब समझो शुरुआती समय में, तो फिर उससे हमको फायदा होगा क्या? मतलब 2-3 साल हमने जॉब की और वो टेक्नोलॉजी पूरी समझ ली है और उसके रिलेटेड.
अंडरस्टूड. मानस, गहराई पता नहीं चलेगी जब तक आप नदी में उतरोगे नहीं. देख के गहराई पता नहीं चलती है. So you need to feel it. You need to feel that moment where you are drowning. You need to feel that how you feel exhausted, where you cannot, have a breath for 30 odd seconds. Until unless you don't feel it, you don't get it. And no one can predict the depthness of a market until unless you are not into it. That's what I told. I'm a master of failed startup. So उतरना पड़ेगा मानस अंदर. सर्वाइव करना पड़ेगा, झगड़ना पड़ेगा, उठना पड़ेगा, गिरना पड़ेगा, लड़ना पड़ेगा, तभी होगी चीजें, नहीं तो नहीं होगी. ये तो जॉब है आप सबके लिए, सेफ साइड है, प्लेसमेंट है, 12 लाख की कंपनी ऑफर कर रही है और 12 लाख बना के आपको स्लेव बनाएगी, आपसे काम करा के लेगी 12 घंटा। उनके हिसाब से आप भले फुल स्टैक डेवलपर हो, लेकिन आपको जॉब दिया जाएगा UI UX बनाना है आपको। Example I am giving. There are good companies also. I'm not discouraging you. Otherwise, you will give a complaint to the directors are saying that he is demotivating us not to join a placement. And what he is doing, he is also one of the employees. So things are not like that. I'm just guiding you guys. So don't treat this as a movie. हम कोई एक देशभक्ति पे मूवी देखते हैं 3 घंटा पूरा चार्ज अप रहते कि नहीं यार मैं आर्मी में जाऊंगा, और वो मूवी एक दिन उसके बाद बीतर गया, फिर बोलते नहीं यार इधर गली में क्रिकेट खेलना ही अच्छा है। कौन वहां पे? So do not, sustainability is the issue, guys. Sustainability is the issue. Yes, Maitreya.
Hello, good afternoon, sir. I'm Maitreya. So
Yes,
I
please
have
go
a
ahead.
doubt. If we have an idea, but we are not good on the technical side, like coding stuff, so how should we proceed with the idea? Like if it is online,
Then
offline
Maitreya,
college.
you need to find the good people. You need to find the like-minded people who are good at the technical, and you need to collaborate them. Ensure that whenever you build a startup, they will have a major role to play. You need to make them friend, a companion, and then you need to live your life, live your dream.
So like if it was offline college, then it was pretty easy to find like-minded people. But in this online thing, it's pretty tough.
Okay, so let me tell you a short story. So people say that I'm a good teacher, and I was very much frustrated with this pandemic mode because I need to teach online, and I told to my industry people who wants to offer an project to me, I'm saying that I don't have that connect with the students because it's online. I can see only the smiling faces. I don't know the students, and students don't know me physically. So that was the challenge. I told bluntly no, but 6 months passed, 9 months passed. There were 2 semesters, third semester. What I'm doing? And believe me, today's day, as on date, I'm having more good students connected with me as compared to when I used to teach offline. Are you getting my stuff, Maitra? So it's a barrier. Yes, it's a barrier. It's a challenge I have accepted. Where there is a will, there is a way. हम कब से सुनते आ रहे भाई, कब से? जब से फोर्स संभाला है तब से सुन रहे. There is a will. There is literally. If I have that zeal, I will get the right students. यार मैं 10 लोगों से बात करूंगा, 20 लोगों से बात करूंगा. I told you, someday if I become successful, I will share my LinkedIn. You will be laughing on me कि आपने किस को क्या messages किए. For getting me a job, or for getting me, or listening to my ideas, or paying an ear to my thing. And it's a great privilege for me that in today's world, no one is listening to no one. And there are 156 students who are sitting there from last 1 year and thinking it's a great privilege, guys. So Maitra, give her a time, bang on, you will get the like-minded people.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. You have to fight your own battles, Maitra. No people can assist you, but you have to go into the, battle field, get your swords on, get your gear on, and start fighting. It might be one odd day. People say, no, Abraham Lincoln story. At the age of 60, he got the first, breakthrough. Biden is 79. Biden is 79. Joe Biden is 79, guys. He's the oldest president the American soil ever has. Oldest president. They still have time.
Sir, another question.
Yes, Siddhi.
Sir, right now I should think of small ideas which I should implement before thinking of something big, or should I think like I'll go with the bigger picture thing and I'll work for 2-3 years and after that I'll expect results, or just I should try something small?
I would suggest smaller idea with a bigger picture. Because all this idea, as you do in the programming in C, first we build the modules, functions, और वो सारे functions को अगर इकट्ठा कर ले तो एक case study बन जाती. So smaller idea with a bigger picture is the answer to your question, Siddhi. You should envision it. You should envision it. You should vision it कि ये idea वो मुकाम तक कैसे पहुंचेगी, वो क्या करेगी, and start spending at least 2 hours of time on that idea instead of watching some new Netflix or Amazon Prime's web story. You create your own web series. Your life is your own web series. Create that. You will love it. You will tell the stories to your grandchildren that someday, if you become successful. And if you're not, you will tell the stories like I am telling. I am a master of failed startup, 2 startups, but at least I have that thing on my piggy bank. What learnings no one can take from me. So that's all from my side, guys. I want you to post the feedback in the chat window about this session, what you expect next time on what topic. Your time, 1 hour, is really, I'm really appreciating it. Please send the message, put the feedback, because this we need to store it. Your feedback will motivate us to achieve big with you people. If you don't have questions, start writing the feedback, and thank you guys. That's all from my side.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, Satyajit.
So, sir, if our idea does get selected, but with the COVID-19 protocols in place, will we be able to come in college and meet in person?
So there are, in my domain, there are 30 students who are coming every day in the college.
Okay, okay, sir.
30 students. So again, where there is a will, jaha chaha baha. Thank you guys. Thank you Nitin sir, Deepak, Bhushan sir, Bidve sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
for bearing with me.
No, sir. It was really a good session, sir, because as you rightly said, even if we can turn 1 or 2 students among the attendees right now into entrepreneur, then we can create a workforce for future generations, sir.
Yeah.
And surely, sir, we'll arrange a series of sessions and also the entrepreneurs meet within the group.
We
Sure,
can
sir.
do that, certainly.
Rightly said by Nitin sir. So I've used this platform to make an appeal ki next in the next month, in the first week of next month, we will be starting a drive for joining our EDC club. So we will be arranging number of sessions on business model discussions or event management, personality development, maybe the discussion on startup ideas or something. So I would like to use this opportunity to make an appeal ki you please join, so you will get to know about, maybe you may hear number of such sessions as Gaurav sir said.
And guys, the tagline, the moral of this session: surround yourself with the right people, always, at every stage of life. So I expect that all the students who have sustained this 1 hour of time, I can see 150 odd students, will at least give a feedback to me, feedback to our team about this session. So please do write in the chat window the feedback. That is very important for us. That's all. I'm done for the day. That's all from my side. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. See you on the next Saturday or next to next Saturday with some other good topic about the startup ecosystem. Thanks a lot. Thank you.